Hello, and welcome to English for Beginners. Lesson 27. My name's Paul. Her name's Katie. I'm 45. She's 41. I'm British, and she's British. We're British. I live in London, and she lives in London. We live in London. I'm married, and she's married. We're married. I've got 2 kids, and she's got 2 kids. We've got 2 kids. I'm a teacher, and she's a teacher. We're teachers. Katie and I live in London. Me and Katie live in London. We live in London. We're married. We've got 2 kids. We're teachers. Me and Katie like reading. We like reading. Me and Katie get up at 7. We get up at 7. Me and Katie love coffee. We love coffee. Me and you like music. We like music. Me and you like dogs. You say. We like dogs. We like dogs. Me and you like chicken. You say. We like chicken. Me and you don't like mosquitoes. You say. We don't like mosquitoes. We don't like mosquitoes. Me and Katie are married. We're married. Me and Katie are teachers. We're teachers. Me and Katie are British. We're British. Me and you are happy. You say. We're happy. We're happy. Me and you are sad. We're sad. We're sad. Me and you are bad. We're bad. We're bad. Me and you are good. We're good. We're good. That's it for today. Thanks for coming, and see you again next time. Goodbye.